Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company, and the point of this video today will be to go into Content and study Page Assets. So we'll go into our left-hand menu, click on Content, and then into Page Assets. Now here is the master asset list. Now what is an asset? An asset is simply a placeholder, a bucket if you will, that contains a paragraph or piece of text on a specific page. So as we scroll down, we can see, for instance, Ben's Power Sports. That just happens to be what I renamed my homepage. Now if I need to edit it, I can here. If I want to preview what it looks like after I made those previous edits, I can do that. And they do have a comprehensive search up above here that you can use to find different assets should you need to. What it's really good for is if we jump into Pages, and now let's go ahead and go down to the Contact Us. There is the Contact Us page asset, which contains the Contact Us text. Now, if you wanted to take an asset that was on that previous page and add it to this without having to retype all of the text, you can essentially kind of copy and paste that text on here. Let me show you what I mean. Add existing asset. See that it gives you a large page rundown. Let's take what's on the Ben's Power Sports and hit add selected to page zone. Now if we go ahead and go back, now we can see that the Contact Us and the paragraph from our homepage are on that Contact Us page. The order in which you see them here is the order in which they will display on the site. So let's say you did want to have that homepage paragraph above Contact Us, you definitely can, and then you'd want to save and publish. Also, while you're here, you can create a brand new asset. So let's go add new asset. Title, we're going to call this pop art. And site assignment, we want it to be on our temporary build site. Type, it is a custom asset. We do want it to show on the site, so we'll leave it as active. I want this to start showing today, but I don't have a particular end date that I want it to come off of. I just want it to always be on the site, so we'll leave that alone. And now we'll go ahead and put in here, this is the pop art page. Now we have to put something in here in order to save it. It doesn't allow you to save a blank asset, so as long as you put something in there, you can even type in the word example or just put in a single period, and it will let you save it. So now let's go ahead and hit save. We hit back right here, and now you created a brand new page asset for this, but now that pop art page asset is listed on the page assets list. So that means that since it's on the master list now, you can move it to any other page that you like. We'll scroll down. If you want this page, the Contact Us page to be active, you'll want to leave that alone. Page name will display on the top of the page. Page title will display near the top of the page and slightly off to the left. HTML title tag. If you want a specific text to be in the HTML or the URL that's above that page, in other words, the name of your site, .com/, and if you want to call it something besides Contact Us, do that. And then you have the page file name. Now this is what is referencing the Contact Us page, so that you can see it's /Contact Us. Now we'll get into meta description and meta keywords. I get asked about this a lot. So the meta description, it is already pre-optimized. Now you may see this text in here and you'd be like, that's it? That's all that Google has to search for when someone types in a vehicle or a unit or a piece of equipment to go on? That's not exactly true. The pre-optimized is hidden because it is an industry secret what we actually put in here. Now, at your own risk, if you would like to put in your own custom text, you can flip over to custom. It gives you a 250 character limit and you can give a different meta description. You can do the same for meta keywords as well. Like I said, do this at your own risk. You may or may not see an increase in traffic based on what you do. Pretty much it for page assets. There's not much more you can do with them. So we'll go ahead and hit save. We'll click on the name of my business and publish changes. And we'll go ahead and open up my website up in a new tab. Journey over to the About Us page. Actually, let's go to the Contact Us. So up on our address bar after the .com, I'm simply going to type in Contact Us, all in lower caps, no spaces, and hit enter. And now when we get over to the Contact Us page, we should see those three paragraphs that we inserted. You can see the Contact Us is written right up here, the paragraph from the home page, the paragraph that was here initially for the Contact Us, and then right beneath it is this is a pop art page. And so you can see how you can kind of layer those in there. So we'll jump back to our editor, back to our dashboard. And that is understanding page assets and what they do. To get back to your day, I'd like to say thank you very much for your valuable time. And until I talk to you again, have a great one.